Your nation people. Right now, me hear MC Nuffy, Jane, come out. And where must say, right now the man say, a whole heap of big artists, a whole heap of big DJ. Him say can swipe better than girl. Him say a whole heap of big DJ a lick. And him know that. Because the reason why, him say him deal with enough of them girl. You see what I say? So for instance, him, to where I say, basically, it's like the man them girl tell him. Because sir man make it look. You see what I say, some people? No joke, no they in it. But him a say, a whole heap of big artists do it. You see what I say? To the way how me hear him talk, that means basically it sound like him not no problem with it. So me I wonder if him do it too. You see what I say? Although him not announce that. But I'm going to show you the double standard in this entertainment business. I'm going to show you the double standard when it comes on to certain people. I don't know if Nuffy want to get for Romish or sense a good side. You see what I say? Or good. Or I don't know. If it's a drug strap, him look for sniff man. You see what I say? But here I say, right about now. And the world is not a plan. That's what you are going, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent. A full effective one. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then, hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, near some people. No gimmicks that they're nice. No farm a lollipop thing neither. I know we not deal with sniffing. And once we identify, we're not afraid to shout it out because we don't know. And we say no dog stop sniffing around here. The man run up on the internet, then, and I try to burn out the vloggers them. Because he claims that bloggers are much up dance hall. You see what I say? So, basically, it's like, he must say the bloggers them not supposed to voice them opinion. Yo, when since man start beat young man for them opinion, but that's why you see so much fuck going on in the country. And so much double standard shit. When since man start beat down the next man for your opinion? Eh? When since? Opinion and opinion, my brother, and it's not necessary, and not to your voice opinion that mean you're right or that mean you're wrong. It's just a fucking opinion. It's just like a thought. You see what I say? So I don't know, wait. A be a negative fuck when me hear you come on the internet and chat nothing. You know, chat nothing with friends. Nothing. So, here you have burn out the bloggers them and say them a mash up dance hall. What to the bloggers then? Oh, represent for enough dancehall music and give it a whole heap of exposure and make it hot up the internet. Cause me not hear nobody go around, you know, and big up them bloggers there, you know. Sometimes, you know, not even the artists them, you know, for the song, you know, big up them bloggers there, you know. One to the bloggers them who come out and review song and the song take on the whole internet. One to them bloggers there. Yo, Stop chat your lollipop thing, you know, and stop chat certain contrary way, you know. Me don't know, you know, if you want to be a good name to censor or rummage them, you know. Me don't know who for jack stop your search for sniff, you know. But me smell fucking sniffing and go around there, you know. Good. Me aware of it, you know. No gimmicks business are dead about it, you know. Because all the fucked up things were going on in the country, you know. About even the government, you know. Or about all the killing and them shit that were going on. Me not hear you come out, come voice, nothing. But as licking and Heathcliff business are going, you run, come out and want dive up in it. You know what I mean? And then you want blame bloggers. So no man can voice them opinion and say, yo, them not in a guilty. Every man for say them in it or them like it or whatever. Nobody never fight against bumbucklad censor. Nobody never asks if she have lyrics or not. People does not like the fact of which the topic of which to come out comes to. And you can't stop nobody's opinion from that. Because you talk about Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Stabber Ranking, Vibes Cartel, the whole of them do it, the freaky song underneath that. Yes, but stop act like say, well then, man not pay the consequences for that bumbucklad. Remember, before all of this internet business, remember Beanie Man do Zim Zimmer, who have the keys to the beamer. And when him say, who am I? The girl them sugar. How can I make love to a fella? You don't remember that? The whole of Jamaica burn him out. You don't forgot? For that. You don't forgot? I threw the song it internationally. Nobody don't remember that. The whole of Jamaica burn him out for that. When Bounty Killer do the song with No Doubt and Gwen Stefani and the naked man, you know what joke in the video. Man, burn out Killer for that. Why you think Killer not go up and No Doubt tour? Why you think Killer not go up and No Doubt tour? Eh? I just go show you the double standard, you know. You burn out Gage and blacklist him for down in the tour, don't it? And nobody knows and say, Lord, look, Lord, the youth board that. I tell you already, you know. Said no, there ain't nobody there for take up for man, you know. But you see as a woman talk, a next man ready for kill a man. I say man either kill him bumbucklad brother over woman. You don't have nobody in the world for take up for man. Man not take up for them one another dog because man becomes a bitch right now in the world. They don't know if them a girl or if them a man. No real man come like them not there about dog. The man them feel all the youth them. That's why you see the youth them can't move so. Them feel the youth them not the next thing. Because two no real man not there. You see when I start be a lollipop man there. A man is about respect and bumbucklad integrity. What the respect and integrity for other man them, my brother? Till you can't even voice your opinion, you have to work off of somebody else one. Eh? You know blacklist blood clot Gage. Nobody never say leave the local youth alone because I'm a youth. We no business with him if he want dead for hunger and suffer. To him say down in a throat, right? Remember, Isana come with equal rights and justice, and them burn her out too. Right? Them burn out Isana for that. Clean. No joke sitting there about it. Then, remember Cartel, you know? Say freaky girl and them sit there and the whole of blood clot Jamaican society turned down upon him. Say my broke out, look a pitney, and all because look a pitney, one do tattoo, one do them belly button, and I claim say, well then, them a long out them tongue and I claim say, and I act like say, and because Cartel sing about it, them hear, them know about it. Them sit, all of them sit there on the internet, my brother. All of them sit there on the internet from them down in a love and hip hop and blacking crew, all of them fuck with it. You see what I say? Because them shit they advertise, all of them shit them, my brother. Enough people. So them respect entertainer and respect people in a society. More time as some girl who pass through some rough life. You see what I say? Who get big in what them doing and come from love and hip hop and all them shit there. And them bumbucklad voice there and them shit there, you know, listen to and them thing there, you know, try to be like them girl there, all because the glimmer and the glitter. Most of them are some stripper before them even get to where them is. Most of them And some people like, well, you just say like what them call themselves. Them say them a bit. No joke shit not about it. Them born ladies from Montego Bay. You see what I say? And I never none of them shit they start talk about, you know. A rough hardcore dancehall exterior songs to do, you know. Them born her from Montego Bay, corporate Jamaica one, born her and all them blood clot shit there because them not like what she does say, right? Right? Them never like what she does say. So if all of them people can get burn out for the song them where them do, who is blood clot sensor that you can get burn out for it to do? Eh? You no burn out Beanie Man for Simsima. You no burn out Killer for No Doubt video. Zin? You no burn out Aishana. You no burn out Gate. You see what I say? You know what I mean? And blacklist him too. You see what I really? So I ask you who is sensor that you can get burn out for not rest it up. No matter with the double standard business, you know, my brother. And you are talking about, you know, enough big artists do it where you know them do it, you know. But that's a man's personal life, and you know business with people personal life, you know. And them sit there, you know. Others chatting, you know, my virgin. Because you say that private, you know, call the people them bedroom thing, you know. But when you come out, come say, you still have spice on the internet. That never private. Somebody did ask you if you do that. Nobody never asked you if you do that, you know. You do that, you know, because you want fucking clout, you know. You look clout, you know. You see what I say? And I chase, you know, internet likes, you know, my brother. So right now, you know, me as a man, you know, I see in myself say, you're not a real man, you know, nothing. A real talk me I make, you know. Mr. Real man is about respect and integrity, and I don't see you show nothing like that. Now come here with a double standard business, because you can't stop nobody in this world to voice them own opinion, and you can't kill people and beat them for opinion. Opinion don't mean you're right now, you're wrong, my brother. That's just your opinion. So if people are burning out because they don't like the topic of the song. So if you live with it, my brother, the kind of that's to do. A whole heap of artists get criticism and all kind of shit plus because of them shit there. Hello. Good evening. Okay, the guy doesn't come as yet. As soon as he come, I'm going to give you a call, okay? Alright. Yeah, no joke thing not about it. You know, I'm not deal with gimmicks thing, you know. A real thing I deal with, you know. And if it's not real, I'm not talk about it, you know. Because I not deal with lollipop thing, you know. You know, a Gaza, Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing, you know. The man, them probably are not make people the world boss, they are prison, you know. I don't know. Pardon me?
5 feet.
You're a visitor?
Yeah, I'm visiting. Where?
Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, some people man go like some form of joke thing with. The joke na this. No, we're not fake. Yeah, you can go. You don't know, we're not fear come and attract boy. Like you think you can clone out the people and things so well then man and joke or some form of gimmicks thing in that part. You can deal with man like that, eh? And use a man, eh? You think you sound good, eh? All in your mind you think you sound bumbuckler good. A clout you're looking at boy. You see what I say? And it don't need glasses to see that dog. You know what I mean? Because for me a man you have to see that clout you look. You know what I mean? With a joking behavior. You see me? No form of gimmicks not the in my game to the way how I represent. You know what I mean? Go like you take people for clout. Respect my brother. Watch.